MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
Keeping your ride clean is about more than just cosmetics, and that is especially true under the hood. All the dirt and grease that builds up on your engine and related parts does a number of things. It can deteriorate hoses, belts, insulation on wiring. Anything made of rubber does not like grease and oil. Dirt on the engine can cause it to run hotter because heavier deposits like grease and grime can act as an insulator and trap heat inside the engine. Another benefit of routinely cleaning under the hood is to help spot small fluid leaks and get them fixed before they become big ones and lead to even bigger problems. Now, how do you do it? First, a little prep work goes a long way. Let your engine cool off. Disconnect the negative battery cable, remove dry dirt, debris, and loose dust under the hood with a brush or a shop vac or even a blower. Protect carburetors, air intakes, and wire connectors with a plastic bag or tightly wound plastic food wrap. Engine degreasers are popular and effective. You spray them on, let the chemicals soak for a bit, and then rinse them off with the bare minimum of water using a mist setting. As with any chemical used around your car, you have to read and follow the labeled directions. In most cities and states, there are rules for disposing of used automotive fluids, and that may include the residue from cleaning your engine. You can use a household multi-surface cleaner on a lot of the plastic parts under the hood, but remember, unless you use a brush and scrub the parts clean, they will look great while they're wet and look as nasty as ever once they dry. High-pressure washers and underhood areas typically don't mix, but if you must, be sure to dial back the pressure, use a wide fan spray setting. High pressures can force water inside wire connectors, light housings, and even under wire insulation, leading to corrosion down the road or starting problems right away. To avoid these problems, dry and blow off any remaining water under the hood. A blower will work, compressed air, but again, be careful not to overdo the pressure. Also, anytime you unplug a wire, connector to do any repair or change a bulb or something like that, apply some dielectric grease to the inside of the connector to help keep moisture out. And if you have any questions or comments, reach out to us right here at MotorWeek.